Salve te omnes, let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Squalentem barbet concertos sanguine crines, vulnera quilla gerens, quae circum plurima muros, accepit patrios, utro flens ipse videbar, compellare viret maestas expromere voces. Okay, so to start out translating, we first have to look at gerens, the present active participle. So let's start with that. Wearing a dirty beard, and hairs matted with blood, and those wounds, which very many he received circum around the fatherly walls. Or if we extend that, it could be fatherland walls, the walls of the fatherland. Furthermore, ipse, I myself, weeping, was appearing to address the man and to draw out sad voices or sad words. Okay, so remember Aeneas is our narrator, and down here he even says, I myself, weeping, was appearing to address the man. So now he's going to speak out to Achilles. He's going to be the first one to talk to Achilles in this dream/vision. And he brings out sad voices. Aeneas is very sad to see Hector in this awful, ugly, wounded state. So up here we have all these things describing Hector's appearance. He's got a dirty beard, he's got hairs matted with blood, he's got many wounds, and wounds which, this quae is modifying the illa vulnera, wounds which, very many, he received around the fatherly walls. And that is referencing whenever he was dragged on a chariot around the walls 3 times. There's not too much grammar to explore here. Here this videbar, clearly a passive ending. And remember, whenever video, videre is used in the passive, it could mean to be seen, because video means to see, so it's I am seen, or you can extend that meaning and it means I appear, I seem. So I was seeming, I was appearing to address the man and to draw out sad voices. And the reason that I think is the whole appearing here, and instead of Aeneas just saying, I spoke to him, Aeneas is really saying, I seem to have spoken to him, is this because this is all happening in a dream, in a vision. So the stuff is foggy in Aeneas's mind. And it's not really happening, but it's seeming to happen.